Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gladitech. Today I'll be showing you how to add photo on TikTok live background. First up is you must have an updated TikTok app. Click on the profile, click on the three dot at the right corner of your screen, click on creator tools. Okay, allow it to load. Then in monetization feature, you click on live gift there. Allow it to load, click on go live. Go live now, or click on effects. Tap on green screen. Choose any of the icon there. Let me take this one. Okay. Now to add photo on it, tap on the plus icon there. Choose any of the photo of your choice. Let me take this one. So guys, that's it on how to add photo on TikTok live background. Please do like, subscribe, share and leave a comment.